In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer to Stripe. We'll start by gathering the exact bank details from your Payoneer account. Then we'll add those details to Stripe so your payouts flow to the right place. The key to a smooth setup is making sure the currencies and names match perfectly, so I'll call those out as we go. First, sign in to your Payoneer account. From the main menu, open the Get Paid tab and choose Receiving Accounts. Here you'll see the different currencies Payoneer supports for you. Pick the currency that matches your Stripe payout currency, such as USD, GBP, or EUR. Matching currencies is important because Stripe will only send funds to an external account in the same currency without conversion issues. After selecting the correct currency, click View Details. You'll see the bank name along with the numbers you need, the routing number or sort code or BIC, depending on the region, and the account number. Take a moment to copy these exactly as shown. Avoid spaces or extra characters and note that different regions use different labels. For example, the US uses a routing number. The UK uses a sort code and parts of Europe use a BIC. Now move over to Stripe. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. Under Business Settings, select External Payout Accounts and Scheduling. In some accounts, this may appear as bank accounts and currencies. Both lead to the same place. Choose Add a Bank Account. You'll be prompted to enter the details exactly as they appear in Payoneer. Set the currency to match the Payoneer receiving account you just reviewed. For the account holder name, use the name exactly as it appears on your Payoneer profile. Spelling, punctuation, and spacing should be identical. Then paste the routing, sort code or BIC, and the account number directly from Payoneer to avoid typos. Consistency here prevents payout failures and reduces delays. When everything looks correct, click Add Bank Account to finalize. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If Stripe flags an error, the most common causes are a currency mismatch or a name that doesn't match the Payoneer account. Double-check those fields first. Also, only copy these details from your secure Payoneer dashboard and never share them publicly. That's it. You've linked your Payoneer receiving account to Stripe, so future payouts can land in the account you control. Thanks for watching.